Hello, this is Alice again from Southern California. So if you've seen my patty pan squash video about how to grow patty pan squash last time, and in the video I talk about don't use the expensive Miracle-Gro potting mix, just use the cheaper one, that's the Kellogg one. That was absolutely the wrong decision. And after 3 weeks or 4 weeks, this is the difference, okay? This one was planted in Miracle-Gro, and that was a week before this one. I put this in, and this one was planted, actually these three, I planted them in Kellogg potting mix. And I just cannot believe the size difference between these two, or these, you know. This is just amazing that amazing to me how much difference in size these are. And so this, you know, this video, actually this channel is for me to share my experience and mistakes, and then also so this way you don't have to make the same mistake. And this is absolutely the worst thing that you can do to your plant, that you spend all this time and trying to prepare for it and grow it, and then you don't give it good soil to have it grow up. And look at this plant, it's already starting to grow fruit. And this one, it's just starving little child, it's not doing anything. So I will have to add more fertilizer to all these three, and hopefully they will catch up to this one. But anyways, if you haven't seen my previous video about how to plant patty pan squash, I will put it at the end of this video, and then you can click the link and then to see the previous episode. But everything else is still good in the video. It's just that do not use Kellogg potting mix, okay? Absolutely the worst decision that I made.